Hello, today's topic? At the ski resort.
Welcome to the ski resort.
Thank you. I'm excited to hit the slopes.
Me too. Have you skied before?
Yes, a few times, but I'm still learning.
Do you have your own gear?
No, I'll need to rent equipment.
No problem. We can do that here.
Great. What type of skis do you recommend?
For beginners, I'd suggest shorter skis.
Okay, I'll go with those. How about boots?
Make sure they fit snugly but comfortably.
Got it. Is there a lesson I can join?
Yes, there are group lessons available.
Perfect. Sign me up for one, please.
Sure thing. It starts at 10 a.m.
Got it. Where should I meet the instructor?
Meet at the base of the mountain.
Okay, I'll be there. How long is the lesson?
It's about an hour long.
Sounds good. Afterward, want to grab lunch?
Definitely. I'll meet you at the lodge.
See you there. Let's enjoy the day.
Vocabulary.
Ski. Resort. Excited. Hit. Slope. Gear. Rent. Equipment. Beginner. Shorter. Boots. Snugly. Comfortably. Lesson. Available. Instructor. Base. Mountain. Lunch. Meet.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.